With plastics recycling very much in the spotlight in Australia, the pressure is on for companies of all sizes across the country to find new ways to deal with their waste material, and particularly their plastic film waste. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Fortunately, there is a ready-made solution in the form of the Polystar range of film recycling equipment available exclusively in Australia from Applied Machinery. Now, the range includes machines suitable for recycling all grades of post-production film and plastic scrap, from injection moulding process residues to plastic films, and covering a wide range of plastic materials. Polystar recycling machines are fully integrated systems that are designed to be simple to operate and simple to maintain. The Polystar recycling process ensures that plastics suffer minimal degradation, so the recycled pellets have the same materials properties as you'd expect from a non-recycled pellet, giving users the confidence that their final products will be of the highest standard. And you can find out more about Polystar Plastics Recycling Systems by calling Applied Machinery on 03 9706 8066 or visit all the W's appliedmachinery.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.